think there were essentially two tectonic changes, tectonic level changes in the Spring ecosystem. The first one was Spring Boot introduction. It changed a lot because before that we had to deploy our Spring application on the application servers or in the servlet containers. We had to use XML configuration, and no one likes XML. Well, it's perfectly machine readable, but sometimes it's not human readable. Also, tooling support was not that good. And with Spring Boot, it changed dramatically because now we can just build one single jar file and launch it essentially anywhere on any server, in Docker, I don't know, in Kubernetes, on your virtual machine, wherever you can imagine. You can also build a distroless image of your Docker application, or you can build distro full application or distro full image of your application. So yeah, Spring Boot changed a lot. And the second change was introduction of Spring Cloud. Before that, Spring wasn't aware about its environment, so you couldn't share any secrets between instances of your application and so on. Now you can connect to your configuration server, you can update configuration on the fly, you are aware of secrets in your Kubernetes cluster, you can take secrets from HashiCorp Vault, and so on and so on. So these two big changes. That's actually an interesting question. I'm not sure if I have a ready-made answer. Depends on your definition of what is cloud native, but what I know for sure, we can scale Java to zero thanks to many technologies like Crack and AppCDS. I will be talking about them on today's meetup actually. There are many ways to make Java start up faster, and when it can start up faster, it means that it's easy for you to scale up or down. You're not afraid to scale down anymore. You can actually scale to zero. You can also save a lot of resources using technologies like GraalVM Native Image or Library Native Image Kit, which can help you reduce memory consumption on startup. And for example, it can save you some CPU cycles on the startup of your application. On the other hand, some people think that it is cloud native only if it's built into one static binary. And usually it's not the case with Java. It's not the Java way usually. Again, GraalVM Native Image can solve this issue. But are you happy with GraalVM Native Image? That's a huge why. That's a huge if. Well, you should answer yourself and make a decision.